There are three things that most people are searching for in the online space. Their I help statement, how do I even get started? Their voice, trying to find their voice to get out there to other people, and wondering about this 2-hour workday that everybody's talking about. Well, if that's you, friend, I want you to stay tuned because this video is for you. Because I am going to tell you how we're going to walk you through all three of those stages. We're going to go from confused to confident in a 3-day journey, the 19th, the 20th, and the 21st. And I know that you want to be there. Number one, it's free. Number two, we're going to have VIP after the workshop. So if you want just a little bit more information and deep down and ask personal one-on-one questions, then the VIP is for you. And guess what? All 3 days is only $27. Invest in you to understand how to go from confused to confident. The 3 days, we're going to talk about number one, the I help statement. Who do you really truly need to help? Who is your perfect customer? Day two, finding your voice to talk to that perfect customer. And then day three, we're going to break down the 2-hour workday so that you can understand how you can work remotely from anywhere, all over the world, in just 2 hours a day and have your automation system working for you 24/7. Friends, it is a dream that most people only dream of, but it's reality for us. And we want to share it with you. So comment details below and we're going to get you over all the details that's going to help you go from confused to confident.